Are you looking for the best 3D printer? In this video we will look at some of the best 3D printer on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Sovol SV04 IDEX 3D Printer. SV04 equips with dual metal Titan extruders which are more capable to produce high-quality prints across a vast range of material, such like PLA, ABS, PETC, TPU, PC, PA, wood, AZA, and PVA. 300 by 300 by 400 build volume makes SV04 the best large format independent dual extruder direct drive 3D printer in the market. Please download the latest firmware, and flash it before your printing to avoid error occurs. Auto leveling sensor on SV04 will make adjustments to ensure the bed and nozzle are at an optimum distance throughout the printing, which improves bed adhesion and print quality. Screen operating with an responsive and sensitive touch button, all the modes are clear and easy to use. Creality v5.2.1 32-bit TMC 2209 silent board, up to 7 additional drivers, more functions, more stable, super silent. Flexible magnetic build plate ensures your print get a good grip to it, to help prevent warping and failed prints. It allows you pop off the prints without any tool, just bend the plate and your print's removed. The filament detector will remind you to change the filament. No worries about long time printing anymore. The wheels on the holder help load the filament more smoothly. Dual Z-axis screws and stepper motors improve the accuracy and precision of nozzle's vertical movement with a specified Z-axis accuracy of 0.001 mm. Number 2. ANYCUBIC Kobra 2 Pro 3D Printer. Compared to mainstream FDM 3D printers, the printing speed is increased by 10 times. The maximum printing speed up to 500 mm per second. Recommended print speed is 300 mm per second. After upgrading the printer firmware to version 3.0.5 or above, the ANYCUBIC app offers support for various features, including online model library search, real-time video supervision and status monitoring, online slicing and printing, time-lapse recording, as well as remote control and management. By utilizing an optimized, direct extruder and a movement structure in the extrusion system and cooling system, it can effectively and precisely deliver the filament, quickly melt and cool to form, and run smoothly to reduce layer lines. One-click vibration compensation. By detecting the resonance frequency of the X, Y-axis with an internally built accelerometer G sensor, smart adjustments are made to motion control, effectively eliminating resonance vertical lines and bracket lines. By designing a unique module, it can intelligently compensate for Z-axis offset, while also supporting custom Z-axis compensation values, meeting the needs of different users and usage environments. Equipped with a high-performance Cortex-A7 1.2 GHz processor, providing abundant computing power for faster calculation and command execution, which results in 10x faster printing. Number 3. Creality Ender 3 V2 3D Printer. Ender 3 V2 has the same delicate appearance as the DIY 3D printer kit Ender 3, and integrated all-metal body inherited from its predecessor Ender 3, firm and stable. With integrated structure and modular design, the power supply is concealed in the machine. It's more convenient and safer for you to operate. Equipped with the carborundum glass platform as always, the platform enables the hotbed heat up quicker and prints adhere better without the warping. So you will see the ultra smoothness even on the first layer of the model. The Ender 3 V2 is equipped with a new self-developed silent motherboard, which has stronger anti-interference, faster and more stable motion performance, silent printing, and low decibel operation. Therefore, when you print the model at night, please don't worry, it will not disturb your rest. So that not only you can have a good night, but also you can print the exquisite model. We both know when we put the filament into the extruder, it's a little difficult to feed in. So Creality adds a rotary knob on the extruder to operate conveniently. And what's more, we need to press the extrusion clamp to feed in. Sometimes the extrusion clamp is easy to be broken, so the rotary knob is a very friendly design. For the smart sensor, it's sure that the resume printing function won't be less. In the printing process, if the printing filaments are run out or accidentally broken, please don't worry, the detector will protect them to turn off the power. And when you replace the filament and connect the power, the printing will continue from the broken position. The model will be complete. Ender 3v2 changes the previous screen into a 4.3-inch HD color screen and upgrades the user experience with a newly designed Operation UI system. It's simple and quick to operate, and also this color screen can remove easily to repair, which saves a lot of time and energy. Number 4. Sovol SV06 Plus 3D Printer. Different from most 3D printers run by wheels in the market, SV06 Plus has a classic i3 structure which avoids wear and tear of wheels and multiple replacements. 300 by 300 by 340 printing size makes SV06 Plus unique among i3 structure 3D printers. Modular design allows you to assemble SV06 Plus within 5 steps easily, more applicable for household use. All metal hot end with larger melt zone enables you to print faster. High flow up to 20 cubic millimeters/s to achieve 150 millimeters per second printing speed that greatly reduces the probability of clogging. Working with SV06 Plus clipper screen, does not come with the printer, need to purchase additionally. SV06 Plus can reach a fast and upgraded printing speed of 250 mm per second. All metal hot end setup makes it possible to print up to 300C. No need to deal with PTFE replacement anymore, and even no need to flash the firmware. You can print with different materials better and more easily. Enclosure is still needed if you want to print over 260C. Sovol self-developed all-metal direct drive extruder with planetary dual gear set, provide SV06 Plus with higher drive ratio and a lighter motor, helps to achieve more accurate extrusion. Add large external knob for easy feeding. Day and night modes can be switched casually. The unique Sovol UI and sensitive response bring you better experience than knob display. With inductive sensor, SV06 Plus detects the metal print bed through 25 points automatically and compensate the unevenness of the heated bed. The fast, smart, precise detection and compensation help you to get the bed leveled perfectly and get an fantastic first layer. Note: set the height of initial layer to 0.3 mm when you slice. That would help you to print a better initial layer and make the filament stick to the plate better. The flexible pay-coated build plate with mesh surface design makes the prints can be removed easily without any tools. Number 5. Creality Ender 3S1 Pro 3D Printer. The brand new nozzle made of brass can stand up to 300 degrees Celsius printing temperature, and it is compatible with multiple filaments, such as PLA, ABS, PVA, wood, TPU, PETC, and PAR, providing more possibilities for creation. The Sprite Full Metal Dual Gear Direct Extruder with an extrusion force of 80 newtons ensures smooth feeding when printing with different filaments, especially the flexible TPU-equipped KithCR Touch. The 16-point automatic leveling can complete quickly with compensation for points printing height on the heat bed. Good efficiency saves much time. Ender 3S1 Pro has used the spring steel pay magnetic build plate, which has good adhesion to the printed model and enables fast heating up of the heat bed. The build plates is not only durable but also flexible. Once the printing complete, users can remove the printed model effortlessly with just a slight bend. The 4.3-inch touch screen, supporting 9 languages, offers efficient UI interaction and is easy to use. It will dim out automatically for energy saving if there is no action for 3 minutes. The equipped LED light enables comprehensive light fill, with which users can observe the printing details even in a dark environment.